All right, guys, so this was the lengthy version before. Now we're going to do the speed version. So I'm just going to get a quick profile. So I go to Effect, and we're going to go to Noise Reduction, get my profile. Now I click on the whole file and click Effect, and we're going right back into Noise Reduction, and I'm going to click OK, and we're underway. Second one, I just keep it selected, and I go to Compressor and click OK. We're keeping all of our presets from before. Now I'm going all the way down to Limiter, which is right here. Again, same presets. You can see the file being affected. Number 4 was our equalizer or filter curve. Now this was the only tricky one. I'm going to click Manage. Factory presets, we're doing this twice. First one, I'm doing my bass boost. Boom. And the second one, we're going right back in to filter curve and manage and factory presets. This time I need some treble. Click OK. And then one last effect, I'm coming in to normalize. And again, we keep our presets. And just like that, I'm done. I can hit File and Export. There's the speed version. You can go ahead and do it. Good luck.